Alright, hey everybody, TG here. Looks like we are up and running. Want to make sure everyone is doing well and going to give just a couple seconds for people to start logging in. And looks like, yeah, everything is starting to fire up. So, want to make sure that everyone is aware of who I am. If you have any more questions about what I do and where to go find out more about me, you come over here at profitpilot.com. And we've got a lot of things to talk about over there. So go check it out. I do write a newsletter twice a week, and if you're interested in kind of going through there and picking up some little tidbits, that's a good place to do so. Looks like we're getting a bunch of people coming into the room, so good. Great to see everybody. Let me know if you have any particular questions. Otherwise, I'll kind of do my thing, walk through the market, and show you some of the stuff that I'm seeing out there and where we can go. But yep, good day to everybody. Welcome, welcome. And let's see. So as far as the S&P, it's been a little bit funky. We got kind of, okay, let's see. Let's get the computer to zoom in on here. Okay. Just a tad slow. Yep, Mike, this is live, but it's also recorded. All right, so the thing that I have been seeing with the S&P is we have been really, really overbought all the way back up through here. And you could see that because price was starting to push outside through the third ATR, and we had price, very far off of the hourly 50 like that. So I was looking for a little bit deeper of a pullback. And we got basically 2 days of a pullback right there, a little bit of a bounce. I was okay with the bounce, still short. And then we got the Biden news about the capital gains tax situation. That dropped the market. I said, okay, well, it's going to be do or die. We're looking at this, and when price hit that area, you can see that we kind of came down to a double bottom. And I was thinking, okay, well, we're going to either find out if the market wants to go lower or if this is actually going to hold and it's going to start moving back up. Well, lo and behold, the very next day after that news, the market reversed, and you can see it just kept trucking up the entire day, which I think was pretty much a short squeeze. And you can see here, once we zoom in, that the short squeeze right in through here, just price started to turn right around and just kept going up and up and up all day long. So short squeeze from everybody who was getting short the day before based on that news right here. We were already short from back here, so I was kind of okay to see where that went as far as it goes. And then, but what I'm looking at now currently is with the S&P, we're kind of still hanging around the 1618 retracement, or extension rather, all the way from the COVID lows. So this is a pretty big, pretty major extension, and it seems to kind of be giving us some futzing around. And I think what we're dealing with is that this is kind of a rough area to be in. Like, people are trying to decide, okay, are we actually going to keep moving up, or is this going to be a more major extension and are we going to start rolling over? My only concern is that that pullback that we got last week really wasn't very strong. That it wasn't a significant pullback. You can see we really didn't actually make much of a pullback. We didn't even get down to the daily 21, and this is from a situation where we're actually, you can see that only one other time, and this was like kind of all the way back to where we had the vaccine news, where price basically pulled into the 8 EMA and then continued to kind of go up like this. And then right in through here, you can see that price was coming into the daily 21, and that was the kind of pullback that I was looking for, something a little bit more significant than all this. And it just wasn't doing it. And we kind of, now we're back up again. And so, we have to kind of decide what's going on. And now you look here also with the SPY, we're up here at the kind of a double top situation. My concern here is that the Moxie indicator keeps trending down like this. That the Moxie indicator keeps going red even though price has actually gone up and started to move up a bit like this. The 15, I know we're up again today, but again, maybe we're getting this kind of double top situation, and the Moxie indicator once again is also kind of looking a little bit rough on that. Now, keep in mind, we do have the FOMC today, and that's going to be, it's usually a big inflection point. There's probably going to be no new news, but a lot of times it can be an inflection point because, I don't know, traders or the big people out there